Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start now. Verify iOS is current because software bugs often change brightness behavior. Next, turn off auto brightness and true tone so you can test manual control. This isolates adaptive features. Reboot the iPhone to clear transient driver states, then immediately test the screen at multiple brightness levels. Pay attention to whether the drop happens after an app opens, during calls, or when the ambient sensor is covered. This will tell you if it's software, sensor, or hardware related. Once you've isolated basic causes, move to deeper fixes. Reset all settings to restore display defaults without erasing data. This clears problematic configs. Remove or disable recent apps that request screen or sensor access, because some apps forcibly change brightness. Use Apple Support Diagnostics or a trusted third-party sensor test to read the ambient light sensor and PWM levels. This proves whether hardware is out of spec. Make sure to record each change and retest, so you can reverse the exact step that fixed or worsened the issue. If troubleshooting still shows brightness drop, perform a full restore in DFU mode to rule out persistent firmware corruption. This reinstalls the entire OS. If the problem remains, it's likely hardware. Book an Apple Store or authorized repair for the display assembly and ambient light sensor. Before any service, back up your iPhone to iCloud or an encrypted local backup and document warranty or Apple Care status. Troubleshooting tip: if brightness still drops only after repair,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.